Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to farm golds in Heartopia by bird watching hobby. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to unlock the bird watching hobby in Heartopia game. And you're going to get bird info card by bird watching. You can equip the scanner and then you can take a picture of a bird and it will give you info card, okay, like this. Once you collect the bird info card, you can sell it guys to get golds, and you can sell it to the Albert JR, and I'm going to track her. Basically we can sell anything that we have to this NPC and she will give you golds. Okay, finally I found her and talked to her. Select sell items and you're going to select the bird info cards that you have. Okay, I have a lot. I'm going to sell it. Okay, I'm going to sell my winter mallard, also winter mandarin dog, and this one pigeon, and this one stock dove. Okay, like this. Alright, and once you're done selecting the card that you want to sell, you can click on the sell icon. Okay, and I've earned 700 golds. Thank you guys, and that's how you can farm golds in Heartopia by bird watching hobby. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.